Hello, good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn off swipe to unlock in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to security and privacy. Now go to lock screen. Now select this none option. It will remove all the security such as the PIN, the patron, or the fingerprint, or any biometric which you have for security purposes. So, as you can see, it is removed. Now, let's check. Simply tap. Now, as you can see, there is no swipe and your home screen will appear as you unlock your mobile. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like. Do consider us subscribing and I will see you in next video.